All right, now we're getting into the meat of my presentation today. And it's the key thing. What's the difference between asynchronous and synchronous? Synchronous is where you're there live with the kids. Asynchronous is where the kids are doing it on their own. Okay. Um, One thing, it doesn't have to be a team sport. You don't just have to say, well, I'm just going all asynchronous or synchronous is the only way to go. No, there's reasons they use both. Now, let's get to my favorite triangle right there. And this is a triangle that I didn't want to believe forever. I didn't like it. I wanted my students to come in and do what I wanted them to do because I know best. I know my history course and I could teach it to them best. But I'm wrong. I was wrong because we are an asynchronous school. Okay, we are a 100% online course. So our asynchronicity to synchronous learning pyramid should probably look something like that because our students are not with us most of the time. As much as we would want them to be, 98% of the time, they're on their own going through Connexus. And besides our high flyers, most of our kids just want to go through Connexus. They just want to get the grade and move on. As sad as that is, that's just the way that it is. And so, what I am suggesting is that we move our efforts and been going so much into making these wonderful synchronous live lessons, which are awesome, but take some of that effort and make videos for the lessons the kids do every day. And I know you're already saying, Mr. Galt, they don't watch those videos, but what if they did? What if you made the videos dealing with that day's lesson that helped them get through Connexus? That say they watch the videos to get them through their work today that day, not watching videos for extra, but to get them through that day, it might be more useful. And that's what I'm suggesting. Making asynchronous awesome is going through these lessons with your kids, and that way you can add a little bit to what you want to say. I'm jumping ahead and this video is getting a little too long, but there is reasons for asynchronous. There is reason for synchronous. There is a great link below. Click that link if you want to read more into some of this research. But if not, click the next button.